Iran is allegedly behind a series of terror attacks carried out by criminal networks targeting Israeli embassies in Europe since October 7, according to the Mossad intelligence agency. The Mossad has been collaborating with European intelligence agencies to investigate these incidents. One significant attack occurred in January when an explosive device, reportedly a hand grenade, was found within the grounds of the Israeli embassy in Stockholm. The Swedish National Bomb Squad safely destroyed the device. Subsequent investigations led to the conclusion that the Foxtrot organized crime ring in Sweden was responsible for the attack, acting on behalf of Iran, according to Mossad findings. Rawa Majid, the leader of the Foxtrot crime ring, also known as the Kurdish Fox, has allegedly been cooperating with Iranian agents for months. Majid, who fled to Iran from Turkey in September last year to escape international law enforcement and Iraqi security forces, was responsibly recruited by Iranian agents to orchestrate attacks against Jewish and Israeli targets in Europe. Mossad has uncovered dozens of Iran-backed terror plots targeting Jewish and Israeli interests in recent months, many involving local criminal networks. On May 17, Swedish police responded to gunshots near the Israeli embassy late at night, detaining a 14-year-old boy connected to the incident. The Mossad claims this attack was carried out by the Rumba crime group, led by Majid's rival Ismail Abdo and also directed by Iran. Both the Foxtrot and Rumba crime groups allegedly receive funding and directives directly from Iran under close monitoring by European intelligence agencies. The Mossad has accused Iran of exploiting rising anti-Semitism in Europe to instigate attacks while avoiding direct responsibility. There is no change in the travel warning levels in the various countries, a Mossad official stated, emphasizing that countermeasures are continually in place where necessary. The Mossad also linked Iranian-backed criminals to last week's attack on Israel's embassy in Belgium, where 2 airsoft grenades were thrown. The statement did not address a recent incident in Rouen, France, where an armed man set fire to a synagogue and was subsequently killed by police. With the Paris Olympics approaching and the conflict in Gaza likely to continue, French security services remain on high alert for potential terror threats. These developments highlight the ongoing and complex threats faced by Jewish and Israeli targets in Europe, underscoring the persistent efforts of intelligence agencies to counteract these dangers.